You've probably seen those viral YouTube videos with millions of views and not a single face on screen. Just smooth narration, compelling visuals, and content that grabs attention from the first second. And maybe you've wondered, how do these creators pick a niche that actually takes off? Well, today I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how I researched viral faceless YouTube channels and how that research helped me pick the perfect niche to launch my own monetized channel from scratch. And trust me, this isn't just theory. This is the exact process I followed to create AI Hustle Hub, my faceless YouTube channel that's documenting my 30-day challenge to get monetized using nothing but AI tools, smart strategy, and zero face on camera. If you want to build a faceless channel that actually grows and makes money, you're in the right place. Quick CTA before we dive in. If you're even thinking about starting a faceless YouTube channel, or you're tired of trying random methods that don't work, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for AI Hustle Hub. I'm uploading 6 videos a week showing my journey to monetization in real time, including all the tools, tactics, and failures you can learn from. All right, let's get into the strategy. When I first decided to go all in on this challenge, I knew I couldn't just pick a random topic like travel or tech reviews and hope for the best. I needed data, not just vibes. So I started where every smart YouTube researcher should, by studying what's already working. Step 1. I opened up YouTube and typed in keywords like faceless YouTube channels, AI side hustles, and make money online. But I didn't stop there. I used tools like vidIQ and YouTube's own search suggest to surface real-time trending searches and breakout keywords. This gave me a list of niches people were actually interested in right now. Then I filtered by upload date, views, and subscriber count. Why? Because I wanted to find channels that were newer, but still crushing it. I wasn't just looking for Mr. Beast's faceless clones. I wanted channels started within the last 12 months that were pulling in real views without a massive team or budget. That's important, because if they could do it, so could I. And here's what I found. There were 3 patterns across nearly every successful faceless channel I analyzed. A clear, focused niche with proven demand. High publishing frequency with short and long-form content. Consistency in branding and voice, even without a face. That's when it hit me. I already had a channel, AI Hustle Hub, where I'd been posting videos for a month on different ways to make money with AI. But instead of trying to cover everything, I decided to focus on one big outcome: getting a faceless YouTube channel monetized in 30 days. That's my niche now, and it's crystal clear. It taps into AI, automation, passive income, and YouTube all in one. Now let's talk about how I knew this niche was worth it. I looked at search volume, competition, and most importantly, monetization potential. Using vidIQ, I could see that keywords like faceless YouTube automation, make money with AI, and faceless channel monetization were getting thousands of monthly searches with medium to low competition. Perfect sweet spot. Plus, the CPM, cost per mil, or how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views, is significantly higher for content in the finance, AI, and tech space compared to general vlogs or entertainment videos. Why? Because advertisers in these niches are willing to pay more to reach high-value audiences. So if your channel is monetized, producing solid long-form videos, 8 to 10 minutes, and getting strong viewer retention, especially from premium countries like the US or Canada, you can realistically expect CPMs in the $15 to $30 range. In some cases, it can even spike to $40 plus for top-performing videos. And let's not forget affiliate potential. A channel like mine can easily promote tools like ChatGPT, InVideo, Jasper, System.io, and more. I already have affiliate links for several of these in my video descriptions, and I'll add more once I qualify for new programs. If you're watching and want to do this too, you can use beacons or a link hub of your choice to organize them neatly. I don't personally use beacons, but it's a solid option. So, quick recap, here's how you can research and pick your niche. Use YouTube and tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find trending keywords. Look for faceless channels under 1 year old that are growing fast. Pick a high-demand, monetizable niche, like AI, personal finance, or digital productivity. Make sure you can stick with it long-term using tools like ChatGPT and CapCut. Ask yourself, can this niche support affiliate links, digital products, or future sponsors? If yes, you're golden. Let me also say this, don't overthink it. You don't need a brand new idea. You need a clear focus, plan to stand out, and content that solves a real problem. That's what viewers want. Now, here's what I'm doing differently this time that I didn't do with my first faceless channel, Ricson's Health Hub. That channel was focused on health and fitness. I made the videos myself using Pictory AI, then switched to InVideo AI because the workflow was easier for me. I used the built-in AI voices from those tools instead of 11 Labs and created everything on my own using Canva and ChatGPT. ChatGPT. But despite making over 100 videos, I only reached 356 subscribers and 87 watch hours in almost a year. Why? Because I focused too much on just creating and uploading and not enough on promotion, metrics, or strategy. So now, with AI Hustle Hub, I'm doing things smarter. I've already posted 2 long-form videos and 4 shorts per week for 4 weeks. That's 24 videos. And as of now, the channel has 32 subscribers and 6.7 watch hours for long-form content. Not bad, but we're just getting started. This time, I've hired a professional video editor from Upwork. I pay $150 per week for 2 long videos, 2 thumbnails, and 4 shorts with unlimited revisions. And in the first month, I only needed 3 or 4 revisions total. That gives me time to focus on strategy, SEO, content planning, and real promotion, instead of burning out trying to do everything myself. If you're starting out, you can also try Fiverr to find solid editors. Just check portfolios and reviews before you commit. I still use Canva to design my logo and branding, but I used ChatGPT to brainstorm color schemes and font combinations that work best for the AI money-making niche. For planning, I don't use Notion. I just keep everything in Google Docs. I paste in the ChatGPT output for each script, plan the monthly content calendar, and track weekly tasks related to the monetization journey. My long-form videos are 8 to 10 minutes, because that's the sweet spot for YouTube algorithm. It gives you enough time to build watch time, include multiple keywords, and still keep retention high. And my shorts are around 30 seconds, fast, punchy, and optimized for scroll-stopping engagement and traffic generation. I'll also be adjusting my content based on real-time metrics and viewer feedback. If a topic performs better than expected, I'll double down. If something flops, I'll pivot. This content plan isn't locked, it's fluid, and that's how it should be. When it comes to promotion, I'm not sitting around hoping YouTube finds me. I'm actively sharing my videos on Reddit, Facebook groups, Twitter/X, Threads, and AI Feekhead communities. I'll also test other methods and only keep what drives results. As for monetization, affiliate links are already in play, and I'll explore brand deals or digital products once I've built up more traction. I want to stay focused for now and not stretch myself too thin too soon. Before I go, I want to leave you with this. Building a faceless YouTube channel isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, clarity, and feedback. You don't need expensive equipment, a huge team, or to be a professional editor. What you really need is a system. And that's what I'm creating here in public view. Every single video I publish on AI Hustle Hub is part of the bigger experiment. Even the videos that don't perform well will teach me something, and I'll share that with you. Whether it's a tweak to a thumbnail, changing the CTA, or testing a new content structure, I'll be adapting week by week. This process is dynamic and live. And if you're building alongside me, you'll get the benefit of every insight I uncover in real time. Also, I want to stress this. Don't get discouraged if you don't blow up overnight. Growth takes time. The reason I set this 30-day monetization challenge isn't because I think everyone should get monetized in 30 days, it's to show what's possible when you focus, stay consistent, and build using real strategies. If I don't hit the goal, that's valuable too. You'll see exactly where I fell short and what I'd change going forward. No fluff, just facts. This challenge is for creators who want to build something real with tools that are finally accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, a full-time worker, or someone just tired of wasting time on content that goes nowhere, you can do this. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and get ready, because I'm just getting started and I want you building right alongside me. See you in the next one.